Umnyango wezemigwaqo nezokuthutha eGoli uthi uzosebenzisa isigaba ses-91 somthetho wezokuthutha njengesixazululo odlameni lwamatekisi oluqhubekayo esifundazweni. Kwenzeka lokhu nje sebengaphezu kwe-15 abantu asebeshonile ezigamekweni ezihambisana nemibango yemboni yamatekisi kusukela ngenyanga eyedlule. Ekhuluma esithangamini sabezindaba ebesisehholo i-Uncle Tom's e-Orlando West ngasekuqaleni kwanamhlanje, ungqongqoshe wezemigwaqo nezokuthutha esifundazweni uGidiboni Diyale-Tlabela uxwayise ngokuthi uma kuqhubeka udlame kuzothathwa izinyathelo ezingajwayelekile njengokumisa ukusebenza kwamatekisi ngokuhambisana nesigaba ses-91 somthetho wezokuthutha.
Iziganeko zakutshanje phakathi kwemibutho yeeteksi nezidale ukothuka kubahlali nakubakhweli ziphembelele kwizimemelelo zongenelelo kwisebe lezothutho ukuquka norhulumente. Umphathiswa wezendlela nothutho eRhawutini uGidiboni Diyale-Tlabela ngethuba lotyelelo lwakhe eSoweto ucangcathe kumba womlo owenzekayo phakathi kwemibutho yeeteksi eyilumkisa ukuba xa ingasebenzisani kuza kubakho iziphumo ezingezihle kwaphela.
We can't continue like this. We can't be playing yo-yo with people's lives. It's not only the taxi industry people who are dying, it's ordinary citizens, and we must be firm. We have also appealed to our law enforcement. It can't be that 59 people since January have died and no one is arrested or a case at least opened. So we are worried and we need to, and our appeal to law enforcement is, can they rise to the occasion and assist us deal with this issue? It's nothing, it's criminality, and we must call it by its name. And a warning to the taxi industry, once our people get used to a new mode of transport to transport them to various economic activities, it might be difficult for them to come back to them. So they need to get their act in order and make sure that they transform. It can't be that every time when we think of taxi violence, harassment, bullying and extortion that continue to happen in the industry. It's unacceptable.
Kumlo phakathi weWATA neNanduwe umphathiswa uphefumle kwisigqibo esathathwa liqumrhu lolawulo lwephondo laseRhawutini lokunika ngokusesikweni iNanduwe ilungelo lokusebenza kwindlela ebiliswana nazo neWATA.
Tate Khabisi Musunkutu dealt with the issue, closed them for 3 months, but it's still continuing many years after his death. And I think with respect to him, we need to really find finality to this issue. And the only way is to withdraw all of them.
Umphathiswa uthi ujonge ukusebenzisa umthetho kaSection 91 onika igunya lokunqumamisa ukusebenza kweeteksi ngokuvala iindlela, irenki okanye ade arhoxise iimpepha-mvume zokusebenza. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka eSoweto.
Sihlabela phambili kulolu ludaba bemboni yamatekisi ngoxhaso lwamalungu omphakathi babamba umhlangano ukucela ukungenelela kukamoya ekubhebhethekeni kobugebengu obuqhubekayo embonini. Umkhuleko obusehholo i-Uncle Tom's Orlando West ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje.
Icandelo leeteksi libambe umngcelele obukhatshwa ngumsitho womthandazo kwindawo yaseSoweto ukuthandazela imicelimngeni licandelo ejongene nayo, equka umlo onobundlobongela usuba imiphefumlo yabantu.
We are affected by taxi violence. You know, taxi violence, some of the people are widows, children are orphans, and yes, affect Tina generally as umphakathi. Manje, it's high time that we are going to ask the Almighty to help us. uNkulunkulu uthi simfune uma sihlupheka. Manje sokuyiso isikhathi sokuthi sifune the face of God so that he can heal our land. Aqede nezimpi zonke ezikhona emhlabeni ngoba umhlaba ungokwaJehova nokugcwala kwawo. Izwe nabakhileyo kuwo.
Embindini wokuthandazela ingxaki esele kulithuba zikhona enye ingxaki ephakanyiselwe phezulu ukuba ibekwe emthandazweni. Yileyo yokuphangwa kwabantu phakathi kwiiteksi.
Into engizwisa ubuhlungu la emateksini. The crime is worse at emateksini. Sithi siyagibela emateksini, sicabanga ukuthi labantu ama-passengers, abantu bayathathwa. Nithi ngaphakathi emateksini, nibona abantu sebangenile emateksini. Sebangikhomba ngebhamu, banitshela ukuthi khiphana amafoni, khiphana amagroza, nolahlela ekudeni. Which lento le izwisa ubuhlungu. Ngathi uNkulunkulu angabahlanganisa abantu bamateksi. Kungabi nempi. Impi yabo namhlanje sicela ukuthi iphele. Sesizwile indaba yamateksi. ngoba abantu abaningi khona manje abomama sebahambela abantwana babo, abomama bahambele ingane zabo, abomama sukaba kebathwala khatsi.
Abantu ebebezima selo msitho batsho ngazwinye ukuba eyona nto banqwenela ukuyibona kweli candelo luxolo, imvisiswano kunye nentsebenziswano. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, eSoweto.